Okay guys, I am about to do a brow tutorial for you guys. This has been long awaited, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. So I already moisturized my face, everything, even my eyebrows, because you can get flakes in your eyebrows, so don't miss that part. Even just at night, make sure you moisturize your brows. So to start off, I always just comb through my brows, and the product I'm using is this e.l.f. pencil, $2 at Walmart, Target, anywhere. It's gonna be $2. So I start off by doing the top first, and I do it really light with this pencil because if you press too hard you can definitely go overboard. So I just outline the shape of my brow, so you see the difference between that one and that one already, and that was a top. So then I brush it up and I outline the bottom, and then I go as lightly as I can in the front of the brow, like literally just kind of like tapping it in the front to get as little product as you can. So now, once you get the shape that you want, I just brush it through to blend everything into each other. Especially in the front, I take my time when it comes to the front of it. So now that it's brushed, I go and I fix the front a little bit. Okay. And that is one brow good and ready. I'm gonna define the tail a little bit more. And that is one brow. Now I'm going to do the other. Oh. Okay. And now I'm going to do the same thing to the other brow. So outline the top. And then outline the bottom. This one might be a little, no it's not. I thought it was darker, but no it's not. And then I just brush it through to blend all the product out. And then if I see any scarce areas in between the hairs, I just fill that in as well. So now I'm going towards the front of the brow, and I go as lightly as I can. And now I just brush it through. And there we go. Those are both brows outlined. Now I'm going to take my concealer brush, which is also from e.l.f. It's just this cute little concealer brush. I'm going to use my Maybelline FitMe concealer in the color, I don't even think I'm gonna be able to see this, it's the color Sand, Sable. So I just take a little bit on the back of my hand, that much, and then get a little on my brush, and then I'm going to carve out my brows. And I use this light concealer only on the bottom and eyelid area, and then to outline the top I always use my foundation color. So I will start outlining the bottom. And then what I like to do is, because I have hairs that grow like right where my arch grows. I like to take my spoolie and hold those hairs up so I can get my concealer as close to my brow as possible. And then I just brush all the product down. And then I use a Real Technique sponge to just blend it down a little bit further and just make it not as heavy at that line. Okay, and that is one brow carved at the bottom. Let me do the next one. And now I'm going to brush it up a little bit so I can get it this close. And that is the second one. All done, and I'm just brushing it down. And then I'm going to blend it out. Let me actually fix it. Okay, and that is both brows outlined on the bottom. So now I'm going to take my Maybelline foundation and pump a little bit on the back of my hand right here, and I'm gonna like brush off whatever concealer's on this brush, and I take that foundation and outline top. I brush any excess product up. And then use my sponge to blend it out. So that's one brow completely carved out. Do the second one. Okay. Brush all the excess products up. Okay. And I just blend it out. And then I use just whatever is left on the brush and I put it in the middle between both my eyebrows. And I blend that out. And I'm still not done with my brows. It's just the carving and the shaping of it that I'm done with. But I also do like to fill them in with powder products. So I'm going to use my Makeup Academy travel brow kit. And so I'll just take the darker powder right here. and I use that to outline and pretty much set the pencil that I use, because that pencil is wax based, and me having oily skin, I know that if I leave it like this, it's gonna get super like shiny throughout the day, and I hate when like this half of my brow is like shiny and then the front half is still matte. That really gets under my skin. So I set it, and then I wipe any like excess of the dark powder on my wrist, and then I take this lighter powder right here and I set the front half of my brow with that, even extending it a little further. Take it and I set this half. And now the last step is to set my brow completely, and I use this e.l.f. It's clear mascara, but I also use it. It's like double-ended, so one side you can use to put on your eyelashes and the other half of your brows. I take it and I comb through my brows. And they are now complete. Give you all a close up. Okay, there we go. That is a close up of the brows once they are fully complete. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I enjoy doing this for you guys. I know it's been highly requested, so I'm going to finish the look that I was going to create, and I will be right back.